Good morning, dear student. Dear student, today I start the lesson from this. Okay? Some fire cannot be put out with water. Here the writer said that the some fire cannot be put out with the help of water. If water is sprayed onto an oil fire, the oil will float to the top of water and continue to burn. If we spray oil, if we spray water on the oil fire, then the oil is sprayed all over the water and continue to burn. This can be very dangerous because water can flow quickly, carrying the burning oil with it and spreading the fire. And after this, when we throw water on it, it is fire is spread all over the area, and therefore it will be very dangerous for us. Water should also not be used on fire caused by the electric appliances, and we should not throw water on the electric appliance when it caught fire. The person spraying water might receive an electric shock and be killed, and the person who sprayed water on it, that person get electric shock and may be killed. A carbon dioxide extinguisher is the best thing to fight an electric fire, and there is the carbon dioxide extinguisher is the best method to put off the electric fire. और जो फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर होता है उसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होता है, and with the use of carbon dioxide we can easily put off electric fire. We spend millions of rupees each year in fighting fire. Means here the writer said that we spend lot of money for fighting the fires. मतलब हम लोग हर साल बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा आग के लिए खर्च करते हैं, and we spend more trying to find new ways of preventing fire from happening and getting out of control. And we also spend lot of money to find new ways, new method to put off the fire, and the fire would be in control. On the whole, we have learned rather than to control fire and put it to good use in our everyday life. And so we learned a good method to control fire, and it also help in our everyday life. Long ago, there were no firemen. Means earlier there are no firemen were there. पुराने ज़माने में कोई फायरमैन नहीं हुआ करते थे. When fire broke out, everybody become a firefighter, and when any place the fire caught out, then every person become a firefighter. People form the human chain. They still do if required and possess bucket of water from a well or pond to the blaze, and the men form a people's chain and they carry the bucket of water and put off the fire. Now there are laws about building construction which ensure that the space is left between the building to reduce fire risk. But nowadays there will be laws are there when we construct the building there. Therefore there is some gaps between the buildings to prevent fire. और जब भी हम लोग बिल्डिंग बनाते हैं तो फायर के रिस्क को रोकने के लिए एक बिल्डिंग से दूसरे बिल्डिंग के बीच में कुछ खाली जगह छोड़ देते हैं. Every new building, especially a public place, must ensure observance of fire prevention norm, and every public building have also followed the rule of the prevention of fire norm. मतलब जितनी भी पब्लिक प्लेस वाले बिल्डिंगें बनती हैं वो सभी बिल्डिंगें जो है जो प्रिवेंशन नॉर्म्स होते हैं फायर के उसको फॉलो करती हैं. बैंड ऑफ फायर फाइटिंग वर्कर with the special equipment known as brigade, and the group of the special person who prevent fire and they have the special equipment, they are known as the fire brigades. और वे लोग जो फायर को पुट ऑफ करते हैं उनके पास स्पेशल टूल्स होते हैं फायर को पुट ऑफ करने के लिए, उनको हम फायर ब्रिगेड कहते हैं. आर टू पुट आउट फायर एंड दीज आर द पर्सन हु पुट ऑफ द फायर. फायर फाइटर आर हाईली ट्रेंड पीपल. हियर द राइटर सेड दैट द फायर फाइटर्स आर हाईली ट्रेंड पीपल मीन्स दे हैव लॉट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग टू प्रिवेंट इट फ्रॉम द फायर. और वे लोग जो है उनके पास बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेनिंग्स मिलती है ताकि वो फायर को जो है फैलने से रोक सकें. दे कट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई, नॉक डाउन द डेंजरस वॉल्स, स्प्रेइंग वाटर एंड अदर मटेरियल टू ब्रिंग फायर अंडर कंट्रोल. एंड द फायर फाइटर कट ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई ऑन द बिल्डिंग दैट कॉट फायर, and after that they sprayed water on that material who caught fire. और जो फायर फाइटर्स होते हैं वे जहाँ पे आग जलती है वहाँ पर जो है वाटर को स्प्रे करते हैं. दे आर ऑल्सो ट्रेंड इन द फर्स्ट एड so that they can help people suffering from burn or from the effect of smoke. And the firefighter have also know about the first aid, means the person who get injured in the fire or they burn or the effect of smoke. The then firefighter give the first aid to that person. The discovery of fire and its uses help early man to cope with the nature. Cope means deal with the menace. Means the effect of the fire and the person who affected with the fire, the firefighter help that person better and gradually adopt the settled mode of life. And after that, the person who badly injured with the fire, they live a settled mode of life. Fire is still worshipped in many parts of the world, and fire is still worshipped in the many part of the world. Means nowadays in early man they worship the fire as a god. जो अर्ली मैन थे वह आग की पूजा करते थे. एंड इन nowadays there are some also a part of the world, the place where they worship the fire. Fire is indeed a friend, but we know it can be dangerous enemy. And after that, we know that the fire is indeed a best friend. But As we also know that it can be very dangerous if it is out of control. Once it get out of control, and when the fire gets out of control, it will become a very dangerous for us. Dear student, after that I send the question answer, PDF of question answer and exercise of this lesson, and I hope you understand well. Thanks. Have a nice day.